Hey homies, this is Jimmy. Right now I'm at SCUD Power's Smart Manufacturing Base. In a previous interview, Miss Amy E. Xiaoyan, who's the General Manager of SCUD Power's third business unit, just shared a key strategy for how we serve our cleaning appliance customers. Think ahead as our customers think. This really close collaboration is helping us turn the usual supplier-customer setup into a true win-win partnership. Coming up next, General Manager Chen from our Operations Center is going to talk about how we serve our cleaning appliance customers from a manufacturing perspective.
There are two main demands of our customers in the cleaning appliances production line. Firstly, rapid response and action. Secondly, extremely low cost. Therefore, in terms of speed, SCUD Power has special teams just for our cleaning appliance customer supply chain needs. In order to respond swiftly to customers' order requirements, we continuously shorten our production lead times. From the cost perspective, we rely on automation to steadily reduce the labor demand on our production lines.
Many thanks to Mr. Chen Lan for his insights in demonstrating how SCUD Power leverages special supply chains, lean manufacturing, and intelligent cost reduction to build core competitiveness for our cleaning appliance customers, delivering lightning-fast shipment and industry-leading low costs. In the next episode, we will step into our cleaning appliance production line at SCUD Power to see firsthand how it continues to empower cleaning appliance customers around the world.